book was born out of patient request. Patient request for a guidebook for personal health and a cookbook that demystifies the timeless principles of Ayurveda.
Doctors were calling it a degenerative joint condition, very similar to an advanced stage of osteoarthritis in a 75-year-old or 80-year-old person.
Ayurveda is the ancient system to bring wholeness, well-being, and eventually bliss and higher happiness into life. And cooking is just one of the approaches of Ayurveda.
Eat, Taste, Heal is a celebration of food's ability to heal our bodies and our minds.
Bring this wisdom into the modern kitchen and lifestyle.
And brings us into a great state of health, harmony, and balance within ourselves.
Chembe kenye nenye mabwa wotwe